Turn your hair from this to this. Y'all, I finally got my hands on this Wavytalk. It's a 5-in-1 hair styling tool set. I'm gonna open it up with you and let's see what is inside. So you get a little thermal glove, 2 clippies, 5 different styling tools. All right, just give me 1 second. Let me take them out of the package. Hold up. Get a total of 5 different hair styling tools. And this is what will go ahead and control the heat. As you can see, it has it right there. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in and let's give this a try. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go with the thermal brush. Let's turn this on. Here. Okay. Nice. Check out my hair, the volume, the shine, the curls. The thermal brush is gonna be a thumbs up.